stables of TwitMe now comes another plugin. We at Web Nation here call it Ontopic. It's a CRO tool, and we have released the first version 1.1 earlier already. Only we recoded it because people didn't understand what a plugin was for really. Okay, we're going to have a look at what the plugin does. But first, I would like to say I'm sorry in advance that the quality of this movie isn't really high. I'm sorry for that. If you wish to view the movie in higher quality, go to our website here, our webnation.nl website. Soon I will publish this movie here as well. Okay, so let's start it. The first version we have released is installed on my blog, and that's a Dutch blog called phpvrouwen.nl. Okay, now the problem was with the old plugin that it confused everyone that the plugin could not be found in the sidebar while it was a widget. Now we have changed the behavior of the widget. Let me see the original behavior. If you go to google.com or your country, then you type a search for my blog. I know for a fact that if you look on TwitMe that you will find PHP Vrouwen, my blog, and then you see here a link to my website. Now if you look here in this section, you will see more search results. That's the plugin. That's it doing his job. That's what it's supposed to do. But we recoded it on the local so that it could also only also display related topics on a page where we're not coming from a search engine. So let's take a look at that. I have here a test blog set up at my local host. That's possible on a Mac, of course. Okay, let's have a look over there. All right, looks a bit odd. Okay, new thing is that you still don't see it on the front page, but if you start browsing through posts, what's that? Then the plugin will show up here at the sidebar next to the single post. It will show you related posts that can help you users, or that will allow your users to stay on your website a bit longer. Now, if we log in to the administration section of WordPress, let me do that now. You will notice when you go to appearance and then widgets, and we go to the configuration settings of TwitMe, that we have added two more options. That's always show related posts. If this is off, then the plugin Ontopic will only show when you come from a search engine, which can be Yahoo, Google, Live Search and such. And then you have another new option that's related posts that come from the same category as the current document. So let's say you have one post in computer science, that's your category, computer science. Then you look, then the widget looks in the other posts that are posted in that category and list them all. If you set that option to null or no, then it will not look in the current category. Well, it can look in the current category, but it's searching your whole blog. It's searching your whole blog for topics or keywords from the current. Let me see what I'm. Let me show you what I mean. From the current post. So if we go to my blog here locally again, there we go. And we have here a topic called production test. Now, if you have set the last option to no, not only look in the current category, then it will split this page title or post title, how you want to call it, in two, and it will look, well, it will split it into a separate keys like production and test, and then it will look through all the posts in your blog and display the results in the sidebar here on the more related topics. Okay, that's that. Then the old configuration option, which was already available, was message to display to the readers. And that's the part that you will see here. These posts could be related to your search query. And that's configured here. Then another option is max search results, maximum number of search results. And that relates to the number of posts below or well being reported in the widget. So well, that's easy enough. If you have changed the settings, in this case we leave all the settings to standard. The next version of the widget comes with always show related posts enabled by default, so you always see the widget at the single post. Then you press save settings, and you're ready to go. You can verify if the plugin was installed correctly by going to a single post on the front page of your blog and press that post title, and then you will see the widget on the right. This widget can help your readers to stay a lot longer on your website, which you want to accomplish in the long run. This is good for your CEO. So I hope you like this plugin. Alright, that's it.